Let, just take a look at that light, okay? When I put this here, see?
No light.
No light and no tone.
No tone. No light, no tone.
Well, there's tone, but if I, that's how loud it should be, right?
Yeah.
See, it disappears.
Yeah, that's right. It's not strong. It's shorter.
Now I'm gonna try the white orange, okay?
Okay.
Because it shouldn't be that way. It should, if it's open all from that side to that end to this end, if everything's open, it shouldn't be shorted like this. I'm not sure what's going on at the middle of this wire. See?
No.
Do you
no
see the
noise.
light?
No light.
See, when there's light, there will be sound. But
No sound.
but when there's no light, that means it's like shorted. See? If I remove this, okay, let's try everything.
Just so that the builder knows, hey?
See? Oh, okay, again, no light, no sound.
No sound, yeah. Not the right sound.
Okay, this is the last one. See? Okay, this is the good wire. I'll show you, okay?
Okay, the good wire.
I'll
Yes,
try just one pair.
Oh, no. You don't need to take it out.
Yeah, just, I can roll it up. It's just,
Okay.
I just did that, right? See? See? Light's still on. And if I put this here,
Oh, good noise. Yeah, good noise. Yeah.
see? That's what I mean.